Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to start by cutting the hair into 6 equal lengths. Today I'm using color 27 and color 60 or number 60 braiding hair. So after cutting the hair, I pull on the end to give it extra length. So right now I'm going ahead to blend both colors together to help get rid of the yellowish looking color on the number 27. So here is the final blend of the hair. Okay, so for the crochet braid, I'm going to be using the regular double knot method for the crochet braid. So you just want to take your crochet hook, pass through the base of your braid. So next, hook the hair, pull it through using the crochet hook. You hook the hair, pull it through the loop, okay? And again, you hook the hair and pull it through the loop to secure the knot in place. So I'm going to be using the knotless crochet method for the side part and also for this cornrow right here. So for the knotless crochet braid method, you only need to pass half of the hair through the loop. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the side part. Again, I'm using the knotless crochet method for the side part. Okay, so for the natural looking hairline or the illusion hairline, I'm going ahead to back comb the hair, as you can see right here, using a small comb. So right now I'm going in with my scissors to cut it to the length I want for the bob. So for the back is a little bit tricky, so I'm going to be doing it session by session. So I'm going to be sectioning off a little bit of hair, trim, and then go make another section, trim, and just to correct the line and give it a neat cut on the back. So this part requires you to be patient with the hair. So any little mistake will give you extra work. So you want to be careful. So be patient and gently cut it to the right length and clean it up. Okay. And also you can ask someone to help you line up the back. Okay, you don't have to do it yourself. You can ask somebody, a friend, somebody in your house to help you line up the back of the hair. So next I'm going in with my razor comb to further trim the hair and reduce the bulkiness on the back of the hair. So I don't want it to be too bulky. I just want a little bit of bulb curve on the back, not too dramatic. Okay, so to further enhance the bob look, I'm going to be using these hair rollers right here. So I'm just going to be wrapping the hair around the rollers, pin it in place, and next I'm going to go in with my hand dryer and add in some hot air. So, okay, first I'm rolling the hair. So for the front part, I want a little bit of swoop, like a little swoop away from my face, right? So I'm rolling this part upward, as you can see right there. So that way when I take down the rollers, it will give me a little swoop to the side. So for the back, it was a little bit difficult to roll the hair in place because it's really short. So I had to make use of bobby pins to help hold the hair to the rollers. So next right here, I'm going in with my hand dryer to add in a little bit of hot air. So I did it for about 2 minutes or so, and then I went in and did my makeup off camera. I took down the rollers, and here is the final result. Oh, and also for the dark roots, I apply foundation on the roots of the hair to give it that dark ombre root. So yes, this is the final result right here. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that way you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.